Welcome back to Don's Like, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. Like the thumbnail says, we're going to install this cold air intake from K&N into this 2016 Cadillac Escalade. Before I get too much into that, some things about this 2016 Cadillac Escalade. If you haven't seen in the previous videos, there's a bunch of things that went wrong with it that you might be interested in, a bunch of things that I do like about it you might be interested in. But this here is a wrap, and I'm going to be changing this wrap out in the coming weeks. So if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. You get to watch that process and obviously be part of that journey. But I'm interested in suggestions on colors. So if you have any thoughts, let me know. I'm putting that order in a few weeks. Either way, please subscribe if you want to. Back to the K&N. This filter up here was actually off my 2013 GMC Sierra Denali. The one out there. And this is the Blackhawk version. So the Blackhawk version gives you a aluminum powder coated intake pipe, where the one I got for the Cadillac is just plastic. However, the horsepower and torque gains that they claim are virtually identical. And because we're selling this in the near-ish future and upgrading to something else, much after we wrap it though, I think that this was the way to go. And I couldn't find any videos at all when it comes to this specific intake being put in this series of Cadillac Escalade. So I'll stop talking. We'll do some before and afters. So you hear some befores, then we'll install it and we'll see what we get. So let's go. All right, here's a pull with the factory air box or intake. Doesn't seem to want to drop down to a lower gear. Try that again. And here we go, factory intake. There we go, drop down a bit. Decent, but not epic.
Not overwhelming.
Not overwhelming, correct. Try one more, just for good measure. This time we'll go from 25 kilometers an hour. And we will punch it. Okay.
It's not an M4.
Not an M4. Now we'll put the intake in. Always cut away from yourself. Ooh, our sticker. Got our clamps and our mass airflow sensor brackets. Whoa, dropping stuff. Couple hoses. Our rubber boots. Got our filter. 1,000,000-mile warranty. Here's our K&N tube. There we go. The filter hooks up to that. And our new air box bracket. Okay, it's installed. Let's start the truck up. All right, we'll grab the wife, we'll go for a quick test drive, do some recording, and then we'll come back and wrap up. Do you want to hear the truck mix? All right, we're going for the test drive. We got wifey behind the wheel. She really doesn't want to be on camera, so I apologize. You just get quick glances like that. Anyway, we'll switch the camera around here. Okay, we'll just get down the street here where there's not much going on. How about we come to a stop and we will give her a little bit. Full stop. Is that louder?
Yeah, babe. Oh, it's so loud. Is it supposed to be that loud?
It's supposed to be more throaty. You like it?
It's burbly.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Slow down to 30 and do it again.
Hang on, Maggie.
She went to the back. She's scared. When you slow down to 30 and then we'll give her again.
Is it supposed to go faster?
Yeah, it's faster. There's more power.
Oh. It's so loud.
Did you approve?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. You saw my wife's reaction. Pretty dramatic. I don't know if I'll scream and then cover my mouth, but we'll try it out.
Oh, Jesus.
What a difference. I'm impressed.
Okay, slow down.
All right, let's talk numbers. So according to the dyno performance tests, on the horsepower side, the improvement's about 14 horsepower. This isn't the dyno for my vehicle. This is their lab testing on this engine. At 5,000 RPM, roughly 363 horsepower versus 349. And on the torque side, 373 foot-pounds of torque up to 384, so about 10 or 11 pounds of improvement at 4,500 RPM. So there you go, improvement's improvement, I'll take it. We got some gains, nothing wrong with some gains. Anyway, there's the old air box, you can see all the junk that came out. We've got the new one installed, as you saw. Anyway, not a bad way to spend a few $100. If you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing if you want to. We'll talk to you later.